Hey guys, here once again, and what I am gonna do is showing you anvil. So let me show you. There's damaged anvil. It looks very terrible, and there's slightly damaged. Where'd Jeff go? Jeff? And okay. And then there's regular anvil. So what you do with this is like when I did with these. Pull it right here. Jeff. I like put Jeffy, but I think Jeff is wrong. So you have Jeff. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna spawn Jeff. Wait, look. There, Jeff. So it took a while, but there's Jeff. There's Jeff. Jeff, don't leave me. Jeff. So, what anvil is I don't know. There's the other Jeff. He's an imposter. Jeff, kill him. Where are you going? You can't escape. There's no escaping. Oh. Get away. Get away. Get away from my emerald. It's my emerald. You only own the emerald quartz. And you can change any spawn from a creeper to a villager. Like, you know, my friends. You could change squids, endermans. You could change anything. You could change any product into anything with anvil. Like bedrock, hard rock. I deleted that by accident because... No. But I want to know, how did he get out? He's a mutifier, so... No matter what. Oh, I see what he did. Oh, no, he's not escaping. Where'd he go? Jeff, get back here. Jeff. Alright, so that's Jeff and that's anvil. Another guy that we added to the craft cartoon. Anywho, we'll see you later, recruits.